Welcome to your daily English listening practice. Today, we dive into a powerful sci-fi mystery, the map that changed the weather. Leo worked at a small bookstore that specialized in rare and unusual items. He wasn't rich, but he loved his work. One rainy Monday, Leo was cleaning the dusty top shelf in the back room. He found a strange object, a roll of thick, brown paper tied with a leather string. It was an old map of their city, Greenview. The map was highly detailed, showing every park, every river, and every main street. But it wasn't made of paper, it was made of a smooth, cold stone-like material. And it was completely blank, no color, just lines. Leo took the map home. He spread it out on his kitchen table. The rain outside was heavy and cold. Leo felt a sudden urge to change the weather. He took a blue pencil and carefully drew a small blue circle over the biggest park on the map. He drew small, simple sun lines inside the circle. Suddenly, the rain outside stopped instantly. The dark clouds broke apart, and a bright patch of sunlight appeared directly over Greenview Park. Leo was stunned. He looked at the window, then back at the map. He took an eraser and rubbed out the sun lines he had drawn. As soon as he did, the sun disappeared and the rain began again, heavier than before. Leo felt a chill. The map was not just a picture, it was a controller. He decided to test it further. The city had been suffering from a long dry period in the far western suburbs. Leo took a glass of water and very carefully flicked 3 drops of water onto the western part of the map, aiming for the dry area. Immediately, his phone started ringing wildly. It was his friend Mia, who lived in the western suburbs. "Leo, you won't believe it. It's hailing here. Huge pieces of ice are falling from the sky. It's completely unnatural." Leo looked at the map. The 3 small drops of water he had flicked had caused a catastrophe. He hadn't just changed the weather, he had made it dangerous. He carefully wiped the map clean with a towel. The rain stopped instantly everywhere. Leo realized the map held enormous power, but it was too dangerous to use. It didn't predict the future like the coin. It wrote the future. He rolled up the map and locked it away in the deepest part of the bookstore's vault, far from any pencils or water. He had learned his lesson. Some stories should remain unwritten. Now, let's practice your understanding. What material was the old map made of? What did Leo draw on the map to change the weather? What kind of weather did the 3 drops of water cause in the suburbs? Thank you for your daily practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English stories tomorrow.